What are we doing?
We're gonna go jump off a cliff.
Yeah. We woke up around 7 to have breakfast at our accommodation in Lucerne before catching the train to the Jungfrau region. This was my first time staying at a bed and breakfast, and I honestly would do it again. This one in particular was so homey and charming. I love it. When we got to Grindelwald station, we hopped on the wrong bus to go to the hotel. We got dropped off at the stop that was 10 minutes away, but it was more like 25 minutes with the hills and our luggages. Let's just say my family wasn't happy about that. The room wasn't ready, so we just left our baggages and went straight to Lauterbrunnen. What you don't see is me struggling on that hike to go behind the falls because that was rough. We almost didn't make the cable car ride to Mürren, but we did, barely. We stopped by this little bistro to get some mint tea. We chilled there for a bit and admired the view before ending the day with dinner back at our hotel, which was delicious. Our hotel had the breakfast buffet, and you know that I went all in on that. But before buying the Jungfraujoch top of the world tickets, we had to check if the sky was clear that day, and we were in luck because it was. So we took the Eiger Express, which is way quicker than taking the train there. And if you didn't know, there are multiple ways to get to most of the towns in the mountains. This was a long day filled with so much fun, stunning views, and wholesome moments. But let me stop talking and show you instead.
What if we could stop the pain from hurting? What if we knew that love could mend the spirit? Broken into reverse a broken feeling. Just say I do.
So I'm just sitting outside of the terrace and I look up and see this. Like, what? Are you serious? Obviously I can't see the sunset because it's behind us and the mountains blocking it, but wow, amazing. And then life is good, man. Life is great. I can't, like, seriously, look at that. We're going up there. Going to First glider. So we started the day pretty late. We were supposed to start at the First cliff walk, but we decided to do the Top of Adventure first because those activities closed at 5:30, I believe. And there was a wait for each ride, so we had to work around that. It looks fake. What the heck? It looks so fake. Okay, so right now we're at First, going to do the First glider. So it's like the eagle one and you go down. I don't know what the speed is. And then we're gonna do the mountain carts and we're gonna drive around the mountains with this view. And then after doing that, we're gonna go back up to the First cliff walk and then do an hour hike to the lake. Hopefully the water is calm so I can take a really nice reflection shot of the mountains. Boleh? Wag na, wala lang hope. Unfortunately, by the time we finished the activities, it was too late to hike to the cliff walk and Macalpsy, so we headed back to Grindelwald and got fondue at the Derby restaurant, which I recommend avoiding because the staff didn't make us feel welcomed at all and the food was alright. The vibe was just not it. But we went to the hotel after and did my usual chilling on the terrace in awe of the scenery routine. This was our last day in the Jungfrau region, and we spent the first half of the day strolling Thun, which I think is one of Switzerland's most charming and underrated towns.
Oh, I'm slipping away, so don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze, so where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay, stay. I'm slipping away, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional, it fills me up, it's out of control, oh baby, I love the rush, it overflows.
So, we just arrived in Thun. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. This is probably one of my favorite cities that I've visited here in Switzerland. It's really, really nice. It's a small town, but it's so beautiful. Like, every building is like colorful. I highly recommend visiting this city.
Taas ka ba eh?
Bakit? Masaya ko ligid ko.
Sige, taas mo na. Taas mo na.
It's out of control, I'm in love. I'm in love, yeah. I'm slipping away, yeah. Just like I am dreaming, walking around in this love haze. I wanna stay in this feeling, but
super hungry and there were so many restaurants to choose from. I was really craving fries, so my aunt and I chose this cafe bistro while my parents went to go eat somewhere else. There was a lot of people eating here, so I was really hoping that they had good food. And oh my god, it did not disappoint. I got an Aperol Spritz, this chicken potato curry dish, and a side of fries. I kid you not, it was the best food that I had in Switzerland. The fries were so bomb, and the curry, I have no words. If I could eat it every day, I would. But I don't know the recipes, so I guess I just have to go back. Maybe I'll try to experiment and recreate it one day. I don't think it'll be remotely good, but I'll try. While I was eating, I was reflecting on how the day just began, but it was already perfect and beautiful. You know that feeling when you're exploring a new place and it's the perfect temperature outside, like it's sunny and a little breezy, but not cold? Yeah, that's how I felt. Like, I want this weather on my wedding day. You know what I mean? It's the best gelato flavor ever. OMG. Sarap ng flavor. After a slow, easygoing day in Thun, it was time to go back to Interlaken to do something really exciting that has been on my bucket list for quite some time now. I haven't vlogged in a while again. I suck at vlogging on this trip. Anyway, right now we're in Interlaken, waiting to check in to go paragliding, and I'm so stoked. I'm gonna check this off my bucket list. Right now we're waiting at the park where everyone lands, because that's the meeting point as well, and then we're gonna take a van to go up one of the mountains and run and jump from there. It is such a good day. The weather is beautiful, and I'll show you how everyone's landing. Like right there. I don't know if you can see.
Yes. Hey, I just wanted to say we have Steve, so.
There's Steve.
We don't have a beer and the same like
Oh, yeah, right. End of season, you'll have
You're ready?
season, aren't you?
yeah.
Alright, come on over this way. We're gonna go jump off a cliff.
Yeah. Going back, last day here. Good morning, we're leaving today. We're leaving Swiss Alps. I'm gonna miss this hotel, this view. That's why I decided to eat outside today, because I just want to take everything in before I leave, you know? Stop. Anyway, the view again, once again, for the last and final time. Who knows when I'll be back. So I'm just gonna eat. Oh, I got my usual yogurt, scrambled egg, ham, tea. Gonna take some Nutella croissant for the ride to Geneva. We're leaving in like 15 minutes, so I've gotta hurry. I don't wanna be late, I don't wanna miss a train, because the next train would be in like another 20 minutes. Well, oh, it's cold. That's fine. They've been so nice to us, and I like the breakfast. I'm gonna go.